Welcome, everyone. Thought I would show you a modified vintage tool called a Kreskin Krystal with a K. And this was put out when Kreskin had many tools for dowsing and ESP before he got caught up in the boob, idiot, unamazing Randy realities and now ignores all this stuff, being the good Polish, Italian Christian he is, I guess. But this is a actually round plastic balls like this are really excellent pendulums. Surprisingly so, and a lot of things are demonized because of the fact that they are not metal or natural materials. Well, oil, I hate to tell you people, is natural. It comes from the earth, and it has a lot of energies in it that you would be surprised. Now, this also came with a great little booklet that teaches you dowsing and how to, all the basic principles, all in this little booklet. So it's a real fine thing, and these are available. You can find them usually on eBay for varying amounts of prices. Now, what I've done with it is this is a lucite cube that was made by 3M Corporation. And you can see, and on the top it says yes, no, and on the bottom there is buy and sell. This was used actually, and shows you how serious things were. This was used by people for the stock market, and people were really into that. And they probably still are. You know, it's amazing what went on, particularly in the late 60s and 70s, where people were open to all this, and rightfully so. So what I did here is I had this made this out of copper here with feet on it, make kind of a cool item. And of course I had it so I could actually plug it into a radionic device. So you could plug it into your machine. Then you could pick up energies from it, from the machine, because you were plugged into it, and it actually would give you much better results for getting rates and so forth. Another one of the many breakthroughs that I put together. But, don't underestimate balls, people. Find pendulums with balls and try those out. I've always found them to work well, something that seems to be neglected. And things don't have to be metal. This is not electromagnetic energy. Having metal doesn't really help you. It may even hurt you. So we just connected this wire in there into the stand over here, and it's just as simple as that. So it's a cool little thing. As I said, these crystals can be had through eBay and at different times. These are over 30 years old now. But what a cute little and unique thing. I mean, this is something, again, you can put in a prominent place. It's attractive. You can put it on your desk. What's nice is that the actual pendulum fits right in the top here. So you can just pop that in there. It stays there so you don't lose it. And this is a fun tool, an interesting one. I use this all the time. It's simplicity. I just like the energy of it. And as of recent years, I've been finding that plastic, of all things, seem to be excellent pendulum tools to use, particularly with radionics. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. More to come.